151. Standard operating procedures that is intended to be used in all situations of all kinds, and shall be outlines as a guide to officers and men in the field. A. Headquarters procedures. B. Special operating procedures. C. Field procedures. D. Characteristics of plans. Answer: C. 152. Standard operating procedures, that is includes the procedures and the duties of dispatcher, jailer, matron and other personnel concerned which may be reflected in the duty manual. A. Headquarters procedures. B. Special operating procedures. C. Field procedures. D. Operational plans. Answer: A. 153. A type of plans, that considers plans for the operations of special divisions like patrol, traffic, vice, and juvenile delinquency control. A. Policies or procedures. B. Tactical plans. C. Operational plans. D. Extra office plans. Answer: C. 154. A type of plan that includes those procedures for coping with specific situations at known locations, such plans for dealing with an attack against building with alarm systems and an attack against headquarters of the PNP. A. Tactical plans. B. Management plans. C. Extra office plans. D. Operational plans. Answer: A. 155. A plan that includes the mapping out in advance all operations involved in the organization, management of personnel and material and in the procurement and disbursement of money, etc. A. Management of plans. B. Operational plans. C. Extra office plans. D. Characteristics of plans. Answer: A. 156. A step in planning, that calls for identification of the problem, understanding both records and its possible solution. A situation must exit for which something must and can be done. A. Collecting all pertinent facts. B. Analyzing the facts. C. Clarifying the problems. D. Developing alternative plans. Answer: C. 157. A step in planning, that states that no attempt shall be made to develop a plan until all facts relating to it have been gathered. A. Collecting all pertinent facts. B. Developing alternative plans. C. Analyzing the facts. D. Selecting the most appropriate alternative. Answer: A. 158. Of the following steps in planning, one which after all the data have been gathered, a careful study and evaluation shall be made. This provides the basis from which a plan or plans are evolved. A. Developing alternative plans. B. Selecting the most appropriate alternative. C. Developing the facts. D. Selling the plan. Answer: C. 159. One step in planning, that is necessary in order to know whether a correct alternative was chosen, whether or not the plan is correct, which phase was poorly implemented, and whether additional planning may be necessary. A. Evaluating the effectiveness of the plan. B. Arranging for the execution of the plan. C. Selecting the most appropriate alternative. D. Selling the plan. Answer: A. 160. What activity requires the duty of a superior officer of any unit of the Philippine National Police and its units subordinates to establish rapport or good relationship with other law enforcement agencies of the government? A. Police executive training. B. Business like activity. C. Coordination and cooperation. D. Socialization. Answer: C. 161. The division that shall accomplish the primary responsibility of safeguarding the community through protection of persons and property, the suppression of criminal activities, the apprehension of criminals, the enforcement of laws and ordinances and regulations of conduct, and performing necessary services and inspections is A. Traffic Division. B. Theft and Robbery Division. C. Patrol Force. D. Juvenile Delinquency Control Division. Answer: C. 162. The traffic accident investigator is chiefly concerned with accidents that involves one or both of the elements, namely A. Motor vehicles and traffic way. B. Motor vehicle and victim. C. Victim and traffic way. D. Victim and traffic unit. Answer: A. 163. One of the following statements that best indicates the main purpose of traffic law enforcement is A. Reduce traffic by punishing violators of traffic rules. B. Keep traffic moving at a steady rate to avoid bottlenecks. C. Control the speed limited in densely populated areas. D. Prevent traffic accidents and expedite the flow of traffic. Answer: D. 164. It is customary for the police to keep records of lost or stolen automobile license plates. The best reason for this practice is to A. Permit the promote issuance of new plate. B. Prevent cards from being stolen. C. Keep record of all outstanding license plate in use. D. Detain any person found using or attempting to use any of these plates. Answer: D. 165. The general principle of traffic accident investigation is to A. Consider road conditions as limiting conditions rather than as causes. B. Consider violation as primary causes and any other factors as secondary causes. C. Regard any unfavorable factor existing immediately prior to the accident as a cause. D. Look for the key event that caused the accident. Answer: D. 166. The basic principle behind selective enforcement in traffic control is A. Selection of geographical areas for strict enforcement. B. Concentration of enforcement activities at peak traffic hours. C. A shifting emphasis on different types of violations. D. A warning rather than a citation will act as preventive measure for future violation. Answer: A. 167. In the examination of the scene of accident, which of the following evidence will show how the accident happened? A. Hole on the road pavement. B. The driver under the influence of liquor. C. Point of impact. D. Vehicle has brake failure. Answer: C. 168. The optional retirement for officers and new officers of the police service is A. 15 years. B. 25 years. C. 30 years. D. 20 years. Answer: D. 169. The nature of complaint against any PNP member is called A. Individual complaint. B. Public complaint. C. Citizens complaint. D. Administrative complaint. Answer: C. 170. The consequence of an act, which temporarily deprives an officer from the privilege of performing his duty, is referred to as A. Dismissal. B. Retirement. C. Resignation. D. Suspension. Answer: D. 171. The staff service of the NAPOLCOM who renders legal opinion arising from the administration of the PNP is referred to as A. Personnel Administration Service. B. Planning and Research Service. C. Legal Affairs Service. D. People's Law Enforcement Board. Answer: C. 172. The method of separation from the police service after completing the required age for length of service is called A. Retirement. B. Dismissal. C. Demotion. D. A wall. Answer: A. 173. The term of office of the four regular and full time commissioners of the NAPOLCOM is A. 6 years. B. 5 years. C. 4 years. D. 9 years. Answer: A. 174. The NAPOLCOM shall be composed of the offices of chairperson, commissioners and 1 A. ex officio chairman. B. Secretary. C. ex officio commissioner. D. ex officio chairperson. Answer: C. 175. The agency of the government responsible for the administration of police entrance and promotional examination is the A. Civil Service Commission. B. NAPOLCOM. C. PNPAD. CHAID. Answer: B. 176. Complaints against personnel of the Internal Affairs Office shall be brought to the A. NAPOLCOM. B. Internal Affairs Service. C. Pleb. D. Inspector's Office. Answer: D. 177. The PNP shall be organized to ensure accountability and uprightness in the police exercise of discretion as well as to achieve A. Reformation and rehabilitation. B. Efficiency and effectiveness. C. Organization and administration. D. None of the above. Answer: B. 178. The ex officio chairman of the NAPOLCOM is the A. Chief of the PNP. B. Secretary of DILGC. Commissioner from the civilian sector. D. None of the above. Answer: B. 179. The four regulars and full-time commissioners shall appointed for a term of A. 4 years. B. 5 years. C. 6 years. D. 9 years. Answer: C. 180. The reorganization of the PNP is made by the NAPOLCOM who shall conduct management audit and prepare a proposed reorganization plan to be approved by A. DILG Secretary. B. Congress. C. CPNPD President. Answer: B. 181. The required age for the grant of waiver of age requirement for initial appointment in the PNP is A. Not below 25 nor over 35 years of age. B. Not below 20 nor over 35 years of age. C. Less than 25 but not more than 32 years of age. D. More than 22 but less than 32 years of age. Answer: B. 182. Anybody who will enter the PNP service without a baccalaureate degree shall be given a maximum period of A. 3 years to comply with the education qualification. B. 4 years to comply with the education qualification. C. 5 years to comply with the education qualification. D. 6 years to comply with the education qualification. Answer: B. 183. Under RA 8551, any PNP personnel who has not been promoted for a continuous service shall be retired or separated if the said period of non-promotion gained within A. 20 years. B. 10 years. C. 18 months. D. None of these. Answer: B. 184. The power to direct or oversee the day-to-day functions of police investigation of crime, crime prevention activities and traffic control in accordance with the rules and regulations promulgated by the Commission is A. Employment. B. Planning. C. Operational supervision. D. Deployment. Answer: C. 185. Governors and mayors, upon having been elected and having qualified as such, are automatically deputized as representatives of the A. NAPOLCOM. B. DNDC. Pleb. D. None of the above. Answer: A. 186. As a police officer, he/she should live a decent and virtuous life to serve as an example to others. This statement is part of the A. PNP Code of Covenant. B. Policeman's Code. C. Police Officers' Creed. D. All of the above. Answer: C. 187. The rank of a senior police officer 4 is equivalent to A. Master Sergeant in the military rank, B. Captain in the military rank, C. Lieutenant in the military rank, D. None of the above. Answer: A. 188. A person can escape from the scene of the accident on one of the following ground. A. Offense committed is serious. B. Bringing the person to your custody. C. Bring the suspect before the court to answer a charge of violation. D. If the person is under the imminent danger. Answer: D. 189. In arresting the traffic violator or when it involved arrest due to traffic violation, the following procedures are followed except A. Bring the suspended person before the court. B. Detention of the arrested person may take place. C. Arrest can be effected even without a warrant. D. Impose the probable penalty that might be imposed. Answer: D. 190. What is missing in the sentence? The investigator is A. Noun, B. Verb, C. Adverb, D. Adjective. Answer: B. 191. They are necessary in the sentence, since they show whether the sentence is clear or has a doubtful meaning. A. Subject, B. Punctuation, C. Verbs, D. Paragraphs. Answer: B. 192. This statement is incorrect. Except A. A police report that carries lies or half-truth statements is still a police report. B. A police report can be submitted as time allows. C. Accurateness of a police report can be based partly on the use of our senses. D. Adverbs are modifiers. Answer: B. 193. It explains best what a police report is. A. Daily operational occurrences. B. Exact narrations of facts. C. Police records. D. Reaffirming what took place. Answer: B. 194. Supply the correct form of verb. I am not as good today as I yesterday. A and B was, C were, D did. Answer: B. 195. In police technical writing, avoid repetitions of nouns by using A. a verb, B. a pronoun, C. a common noun, D. a proper noun. Answer: B. 196. Spo 1 Madiaga was promoted to the next rank by his commanding officer. On the strength of his recommendation, he gave a blowout to his friends. 3 months passed and he was still receiving the same salary. What form of communication is missing? A. Memorandum, B. Special order, C. Approval by his COD, written confirmation. Answer: B. 197. A final police report can only be submitted, and the case considered closed and solved when suspect was arrested and charged, witnesses are willing to testify in court, and A. Police investigator was summoned to appear in court. B. Statements taken were corroborated by witnesses. C. Evidence were gathered and preserved for the prosecution of the case. D. Judge to handle the case was already appointed. Answer: C. 198. All statements are incorrect, except A. The relevance of the police report depends on how it relays the exclusive objective. B. Verbs are modifiers. C. Keeping an open mind in reporting makes the report fair. D. Sometimes report writers should result to one's opinion. Answer: C. 199. These words are, for example, break, break, bail, bail, bye-bye, die, die, and dear, dear. They are similar in sound but different in meaning and spelling. A. Vocabularies. B. Antonyms. C. Homonyms. D. Phrases. Answer: C. 200. These statements are correct, except A. Police reports can serve as raw materials from which record systems can be adopted. B. Police reports likewise serve as a gauge for good police performance. C. Police reports make police investigators efficient in their jobs. D. Police reports can be used for future reference. Answer: C.